refrigerant piping works. The brain tube can be installed both horizontal and vertical. When installing, the pipe current should be minimized to the pipe's length should be short. Install the pipe horizontal as much as possible. This is the recommend from the factory of the air conditioners. So look at pictures number 1. This is the horizontal style installations. We can install it like this for the wide brands. And the pictures number 2, it is the installation style for the vertical installations. So both piping can install for the vertical and horizontal styles. And this one, it is the vertical downwards, and this one, it is the vertical upwards. Here you can see the piping here. And let's now go to see the pictures number 3. Pictures number 3, it talk about the wide brand that it should be installed with the air conditioners. For the blue circle, it is the correct installations. This is the outdoor unit, and you can install the wide brand here, and then it's go to the brand of FCU and go to the brand of for the other FCUs. But we cannot install like this. The red circle, it is the incorrect installation for the wide brands. We cannot install like this. And the pictures number 4, it's talk about the downward installations. You can install like this if the outdoor unit location is located at the highest level from the FCU. You can install this like this. But this for the verticals downward like this, we cannot install like this. The red circle is the incorrect installation for the downwards.